Hi, this is Sayali from Sayali's Art. Today's video is on tea light candle decoration. For this, I have taken a piece of card sheet and cut a circle out of it. Pasted few such circles together with fevistick to make it a bit thicker. Now I can just use a normal tea light candle, but I got this holder from Amazon, so I'll be using that. If you don't have it, just mark a circle in the center with the candle you have. Now these are pista shells. Normally we throw them away, but this time I'll be using them. And you will need a glue, a Fevikwik or a glue gun, whatever you have. Place the holder in the center and just stick these with the glue as a flower around the candle. It won't take much time. Continue it with layers till you make a huge flower with it. I will be uploading few more such different decoration videos too. So if you like to watch my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. After you finish it, that's how it looks. I have made 5 layers. I'm not quite sure if it is permanent with the glue gun. So I'm adding some more Fevicol in those gaps. This is how it will look after it dries. Now I'll be coloring it with Fevicryl colors. I'll be using golden color. You can use whatever color you want. If you want, you can color these shells before and then paste them, or you can use spray paint if you have. Color it till you are happy. I needed 3 coats to be happy. And this is the finished product. Simple and attractive tea light candles for your festival. I am coming with few more such simple ideas. So please do subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Have a great day.